What makes Attenborough really special is the fact that people can actually see and enjoy wildlife at close quarters. For many people, it's their first experience of a natural environment. It's the first time they come to feed the ducks, the first place they see a kingfisher. We have huge numbers of visitors and we're often portrayed as one of the most visited and best loved nature reserves. But it was quite clear that we had quite a narrow proportion of the community actually coming and enjoying the site.
Heritage Lottery funded the ACE project, which stands for Access, Community and Education. There were 4 types of groups that we were looking to engage. The 16 to 24-year-old category, those from deprived communities, those with disabilities and those of black and ethnic communities. We looked at the sort of barriers that were stopping people coming out, so the fact they didn't know these places existed, or the fact that they couldn't get to us or knew what they could do here. So we went out into the community and went to talk to them about the benefits of coming out to a place like this. We did activities such as pond dipping, guided walks, work parties where they got to learn about practical conservation, and then afterwards we tried to connect them to a local green space, so somewhere they could walk from their house to and use daily for similar sorts of benefits. Heritage Lottery funding for something like this is really important to the Wildlife Trust because it enabled us to offer subsidised transport and to really get to know the group and make some long-lasting bonds so that they felt comfortable to come out somewhere that they didn't normally engage with.
The impact of the project has been tremendous. During the life of the project we actually increased the diversity of the audience that we were engaging with quite dramatically. The black and minority ethnic audience, for example, went up from 3% to around 22%. But the real impact of the project for me has been how the Trust is now focused on the diversity issue. We're actually now looking to try and ensure that we are representative of our community right across the county.